Welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today our topic is transfer entries within journal proper. Now we are coming to problem number 1. Following balance appearance in the books of Rishi as on 31st March 2020 was the necessary journal entries for financial year 2019 and 20. Here now coming to given data. Opening balance information is given here. It is divided in two types. One is credit balance and debit balance is also here. Now coming to capital 3 lakhs rupees, the amount is given in rupees. Now coming to bills payable, it is 50,000 rupees and creditors 1 lakh rupees. Now coming to debit balance, furniture rupees 40,000, machinery rupees 1 lakh 80,000 and debitors 1 lakh 20,000. Now last bills receivable here 19,000 rupees and cash is also given here, it is 20,000 rupees. The above all information is related to opening balance. We are already prepared in previous class opening entries. Now we are coming to given transaction is related to this problem. Now coming to an amount, first one, an amount of 20,000 rupees has been withdrawn from capital account as on 20th May 19. Now coming to cash deposit at bank for 5,000 on 17th July 2019. Now coming to third one, it is bought goods from Mahesh for cash 10,000 rupees on 18th July. Now coming to goods sold worth 5,000 for cash. Here 10,000 on 1st July 2019. Now coming to purchase stationery for cash on 20th August 2019 of 1200. Now coming to 6th date, it is 5th September 2019, withdrawn from bank for personal use an amount 1500 and paid rent 2000. 5th October 2019, good worth 500 rupees given as on charity 25th November 2019. Before we going to first given journal entries, we knowing some details about transfer entries. Now coming to description about transfer entries. Here journal is the primary book of accounts in which is original recorded transactions in chronological order. We are already know, we are discussed about in previous class and also discussed about at the time of the preparation of journals. Now coming to, it is a book of original entry because we first entered transaction in the journal from where we are forced in the ledger. Now we are already know about this topic also. It is the primary entry and also original entry. Why? Because we take all transactions and we are recorded in first transaction in this book. That's why reason it is the special. Now we are coming to another topic. Here ledger is a book or register which contain in the summarized and classification information permanent records for all transactions. We are already know every transaction is recorded with this specific manner and specific principles and based on all accounting terms. That's why reason it is safe. Now we are coming to, it is the most important book of accounting in sense we draw the trial balance from the hit and then learn of. In this class we are also learning about purpose of transfer entries. Why should we prepare transfer entries? Here coming to given data, here sometimes it is necessary to transfer an account amount or balance one account to another account. Why? Because for example the capital account is drawn some amount for the purpose of personal use. Here the amount is transferred to capital account to personal account. This type of transactions is prepared mainly in transfer entries. Now we are coming to, we do this means the transfer journal entry in the journal purpose. Now we come to another para. We use a transfer journal entry allocated on expenses or revenue from one account to another account. We are already discussing above. It is used to transfer funds between objectives codes with an account. Expense are objected. Transfer journal entries shall be include and description of the items and explanation of why the transfer is necessary. Here The above example, the drawings is taken for the personal use. Here they can define clearly why should be drawn amount from business, like that. Now we are going to different types of transfer entries. Here mainly we are seeing in accounting system the four methods are in transfer of the accounting, and also other also available. Now coming to first one, amount withdrawn from capital. Here amount withdrawn from capital, it can be considered as two types. One is used for business purpose, it is not necessary to show in books. It is drawn for personal use, it is written as a drawings. Now coming to amount withdrawn from bank, it is also two methods. One is the office use and another one is personal use. Here office use is not necessary to explain, but amount withdrawn for personal use we can explain and written clearly. Now we are coming to cash deposited bank. Here cash is liquid amount is available to our, this amount is shown on cash account, then we decide to deposit that amount in bank, then we are transfer this amount to the bank account. That's why reason we are preparing the cash amount is transferred to the bank account. In this transaction we preparing transfer entries. Now coming to fourth one, amount received for petty cash. Here petty cash is takes lump sum amount for the month, whole month maintenance expenditures. This amount is transferred from whatever in bank or cash book. That the type of transactions is transfer amount cash book from cash book or from the bank account. Now we are going to given problem, journal proper format. We are already discussed about in this previous class. It is look like on journal, it's have 5 columns. One is date column, it is related to date of the transaction. Now coming to particulars, particulars is related to given transaction, full information should be given here. Now coming to ledger portfolio, it is related to ledger number or series of the transaction. Now coming to amount, debit column and amount credit column, both are related to given amount. Here amount is based on the given currency. Now coming to given problem. Problem number 1, following balance appearance in the books of the receipts as on 31st March 2020, pass the necessary journal entries for 2019 and 20. Here they are given details is related to necessary entries. So it is problem mixed version of the problem. So we prepared all type of books related to subsidiary books in this problem. Now coming to opening balance information is given as under, we are already discussed. One is credit balance, another one is debit balance. Here capital, bills payable, creditors, it is all related to liabilities. And also debit balance, furniture, machinery, debitors, bills receivable and cash, it is all related to assets. According to opening balance journal entries, here all assets is debit, all liabilities is credit. Here assets is more than the liabilities, it is shown as the capital. If liabilities is more than the assets, it is shown as the goodwill. Now we are going to prepare our passing journal entries for opening balance. Now coming to passing opening entries, here date is given, it is academic year or financial year 1st April 2019. Here given details is furniture 40,000 rupees, machinery 1,80,000, debitors 1,20,000, bills receivable 90,000 and cash here 20,000. This all amount is based on or format of the opening entries. It can be debit, must be debit. That's why reason we are debited with all items. Now coming to credit side is given transaction, bills payable is 50,000, creditors account is 1 lakh. And also capital is also given, it is 3 lakhs. In compare with both balance, here it is 40,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 90,000 plus 20. It is equal to 3 lakhs plus 4 lakhs 50,000. Here it is also coming to credit side 4 lakhs 50,000. Here it is both are equal to. So we don't need to prepare or find out any other goodwill or any other. Now coming to here transaction is completed. Then narration is being the opening entry passed. Now opening entry is completed. Now we are going to pass another entry. Now coming to another transaction, an amount of 20,000 rupees has been withdrawn from the capital account on 20th May 2019 for personal use. Here the transaction is clearly defined, amount withdrawn for the purpose of personal use. In accounting terms, personal use can be written as drawings. Here drawings account is increase and capital account is decrease. So the amount of the book is capital account amount is transferred to the drawings account. Here we can pass this journal entry as here drawings account is debit, whereas capital account is credit. We are passing this entry is prepared like this. Here given date is 20 May 2019. Here coming to particular column, here drawings account is debit, Rishi's capital account is credit. Why? Because given examples or explanation in narration, being the amount transferred from capital account to drawings account. Here capital account amount is decreased, drawings amount is increased. Now coming to amount is given on rupees. It is 20,000 is debit side, whereas credit side is equal. Why? Because where debit is equal to credit. Now coming to another transaction, it is second cash deposit at bank for 5,000 rupees on 17th July 2019. Here cash is going to the business. Here cash account is decreased. So according to this given transaction, cash account amount is transferred to the bank account. Here the receiver is debit and giver is credit. Here cash account is decreased their amount, that's why reason cash account is credit, and bank account is increased their amount, that's why reason bank account is debit. This entry is passing in our transfer entries book like this. Now coming to date column, it given date is 17th July 2019. Then coming to particular column, here bank account amount is transferred from the cash account, that's why reason here bank account is receiver and cash account is giver. So cash account is decreased their amount, it is credit, and bank account is debit. The narration being the amount transfer from cash account to bank account. Here given amount is 5,000, it is in rupees. Now we are going to another transaction. We need to prepare journal entries for cash purchase. Here coming to date column 18th July 2019. Then coming to particular column, purchase account is debit. Why? Because goods is coming to the business, whereas cash is going to the business, that's why reason cash account is credit. The given transaction is narration to the being the cash purchase. Then coming to amount column, here given amount is 10,000 in rupees, and whereas credit side is also same. Now we are going to another. According to this transaction, purchase goods. Here purchase goods is coming to the business, and cash, the payment of cash is returned to Mahesh, that's why reason here cash is going to the business. So we are debit the purchase account and credit the cash account. This entry is passed in. Here coming to date column 18th July 2019. Then coming to particular column, purchase account is debit. Why? Because goods is coming to the business, whereas cash is going to the business, that's why reason cash account is credit. The given transaction is narration to the being the cash purchase. Then coming to amount column, here given amount is 10,000 in rupees, and whereas credit side is also same. Now we are going to another transaction. Here sold goods worth 5,000 for cash 10,000 on 21st July 2019. Here the worth of the 5,000 goods is sold on rupees 10,000 on 21st July 2019. Here the actual value of the goods is purchased on 5,000 rupees, but it is sold on 10,000 rupees. Here 50% is profit. Now we are going to passing journal entry for this transaction. Here cash is coming to the business, that's why reason we are debit the cash. It is cash account is debit, whereas goods is going to the business. Here goods can be termed as sales account. The sales account is credit. Now we are written as cash account data to sales account. To the date column, it is 21st July 2019. Here cash account is debit. Why? Because cash is coming to the business, whereas sales is credit. Why? Because sales is goods is going to the business. The narration being the cash sales. Now coming to amount column, it is given amount 10,000. Purchase stationery for cash as on 20th August 2019 of 1,200 rupees. Here this transaction is related to cash transaction. We need to prepare cash book or post in journal entries. Now coming to here, purchase stationery. Here stationery is coming to the business. That's why reason stationery account is debit, whereas cash is going to the business. Why? Because paying some amount to the seller. Now coming to passing journal entry plus this transaction. Now coming to date column 20th August 2019. Now coming to particular column, it is stationery account. Why? Because stationery is coming to the business. Now cash is going to the business, it is credit, being the stationery purchased on cash for narration. Now coming to amount, given amount is 1200. Now we are going to another transaction. It is on 5th September 2019. Withdrawn from the bank personal use an amount of rupees 1,500. Here given transaction is clearly defined. The amount is withdrawn from personal use. Here personal use can be termed as drawings. Here we are already described in above transaction. Drawings account is debit and bank account is credit. We are coming to passing this entry now. Coming to date column, that is 5th September 2019. Then coming to particulars column, drawings account is debit and bank account is credit. The narration being the amount withdrawn from bank account to drawings account. Here the entry is for the purpose of transfer amount one account to another account. This entry is an example for transfer entries. Now coming to amount column is given based on rupees 1500. This one is completed. We are going to another transaction. To paid amount 2000 on 15th October 2019. Here rent is related to nominal expenses. It is an expenditure according to nominal account. Here all expenditures is debits. Here rent account is debit. Then after 2000 rupees in terms cash, it is going to the business. That's why reason we are credit the cash account. Now coming to passing this entry. One rent paid for 2000 on 15th October 2019. Here coming to date column 15th October 19th. Now coming to here rent is nominal account. Here according to nominal account all expenditures is related to debit side and all incomes are credit side. Here rent is payable and amount is it is an expenditure, it can be debit, whereas cash account is credit. Narration being the rent paid with cash. Now coming to amount column 2000. This is completed. We are going to another transaction. Here goods worth 500 rupees given as charity as on 25th November 2019. Here goods worth, it can be determined as purchase goods from creditor. Here some purchase related goods is transferred to charities account. Here purchase account is decrease and charity account is increase. Now we are passing this entry in journal proper. This is last transaction. Now coming to date column 25th November 2019. Coming to particular, charity account debit and purchase account is credit. Why? Because here purchase account amount is decrease. Narration being the goods transfer to charity accounts. Now coming to amount column, given rupees 500. It is clear. Today our problem is prepare journal entries for suitable books. We are prepare all books. Then after this all journals is transferred to ledgers. This one is last transaction. Then all transactions are completed. Then after preparing or passing journal entries in the books of journal profits, this amount is transferred to the ledgers. So we are already know. Now problem is completed. If you want notes related to this class, please follow description under this video. Link is available in description. And also thank you for watching this class. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more related videos and share with your friends.